Laundry Day. Saturday morning, Olivia heads to the shared laundry room with her laundry basket and finds Daniel there, holding a rag with a puddle of fabric softener on the floor.
Oh, you're here. What happened here?
I dropped my fabric softener. The whole bottle.
Oh no. Sorry. It smells very nice in here.
Very funny. I've been cleaning for 20 minutes.
Almost done?
Almost. My wash hasn't even started yet.
Which machines are free?
That one is running, not mine. This one is mine. The last one is free.
Perfect. One is enough.
Be careful. The floor is still a little wet.
This is the best this room has ever smelled.
You're welcome.
Okay, let me start my wash.
Mine can finally start too.
What temperature did you use?
Cold. I always use cold.
That's good for most things.
I had one disaster with hot water.
What happened?
A wide shirt. It turned pink.
Oh no. Was there a red thing in there?
A red sock. One red sock.
That's a classic mistake.
I know that now. Thank you.
Did you keep the shirt?
No, but I kept the sock.
Why?
As a reminder.
That's actually very smart.
I learn from mistakes.
A very engineer thing to say.
Maybe.
Do you separate colors?
Now I do. Always.
Good man.
What are you washing today?
Towels and some clothes.
Do you use fabric softener?
Always. For towels especially. And you?
Mine is all over the floor, remember?
I have extra. I can lend you some.
Are you sure?
Yes, it's fine. Here.
Thank you. How much do you use?
A cap. 1 cap.
Got it. Cap.
Is this your first time using this laundry room?
Second. First time was okay.
The dryer on the left is faster.
Good to know.
And don't leave your clothes in the machine.
What happens?
Mrs. Kim will take them out and put them on the table.
Ah, Mrs. Kim again.
She runs this building.
Not Mr. Chen?
Mr. Chen has the title. Mrs. Kim has the power.
I see.
Okay, both machines are running. Let's go up.
I'll set an alarm, like for trash night.
Smart. Then we'll both come back in 40 minutes.
What will you do until then?
Draw. My friend Grace is coming over. She talks while I draw.
Who's Grace?
My best friend. She lives in this building too.
Small world. See you in 40 minutes.